Hi everyone, I am Aksa Zafar and welcome back to MLTube. Here I share practical tutorials on AI, machine learning and tools that make your tech journey easier. If you love learning step by step with real examples, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a new video. Now let's get started. What if you could just talk to your Zerodha account in Claude Desktop window? No Excel, no APIs, no code. Just natural conversation. That's now possible with Zerodha's new MCP integration, which securely connects your trading account with AI assistants like Claude. In this video, I will show you how to set it up and connect it step by step using Claude. This demo is for educational purposes only and does not include financial advice or market analysis. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol, a framework that lets AI tools like Claude, Cursor, or Perplexity connect safely with your data sources. Think of it as a bridge between your Zerodha account and Claude. Once it's set up, Claude can help summarize your holdings, generate insights, or organize your reports, all through simple natural language chat. Again, everything shown here is for demonstration only. This is not investment or trading advice. Let's walk through how to set it up. Go to the Claude download page. I have added the link in the description, or use the link from the Zerodha MCP integration blog. Download Claude Code for your operating system and install it. Once it's installed, log in with your Claude account. Next, open Settings. Then choose Developer Options, then Local MCP. Then click Edit Config. That will open a configuration file in VS Code. Now paste the JSON provided on Zerodha's integration block page. This connects Zerodha MCP to Claude. The configuration ensures the integration is local, secure, and works only with your consent. Once you save it, restart Claude Code to load the new setup. Now open a new chat and try asking Claude a portfolio related question. For example, to view your holdings or summarize your positions. Claude will ask for permission to access your account through MCP. If you are not logged in, it will prompt you to sign into Zerodha and confirm authorization. After you have logged in, Claude can securely fetch your data. I won't show the exact portfolio results here, since that depends on each individual's account. But you will see your personalized data once it's connected. You can ask any relevant question and Claude will generate responses tailored to your own information. All data and results are private to your account and processed via MCP. Depending on what you ask, Claude can display summaries, breakdowns, or analyses based on your connected data. For example, it can help you organize information, prepare reports, or understand key metrics, all automatically. Since everyone's portfolio is different, I am not displaying my specific responses here. You will get results based on your own case when you try it. The goal here is to show the workflow, not financial outputs. It's about how Claude connects, understands, and processes data through MCP. And that's how Zerodha MCP connects with Claude, securely and seamlessly. This integration allows you to use natural language to explore your own data in real time without writing any code. This was a purely technical demo, not investment advice or financial guidance. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment what you would like me to cover next. Maybe exploring custom skills or automating reports with Claude MCP. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MLTube for more AI and machine learning tutorials.